what's up? Welcome back for another video, and today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out, and it's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. I suggest you go download right away before all this changes. With that being said, let's get this review started. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and today we got an awesome watch face to take a look at that's free in the Gear Manager store. This one is nice. The name of this watch face is called Jeweler's Predator Compact. Now, although it is a casual watch face, it is a dress-up watch face as well. You can get away with that easily. Now, this is a nice watch face. I like it. Even in the always on mode, you're going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down quite a bit. But when the watch face is on, here's where we start to have a little fun, right? If you look down at the bottom, you're going to get your battery info. All the way at the top, you're going to get your step info, and then you get the date. I like the layout of the date where it has the name of the watch face. That's nice. Now, this is an analog watch face. You got a smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch that really adds a lot of class to this watch face. Now, check this out. Now, you can change the theme of this. Look at the dials. Cycle through till you get to the one you like. This is nice. I'm liking this one. Let's check this out. Very nice. Very nice. And again, remember, this is free. Let's tap here. We can change the background. I thought the developer did a great job, and we want to thank him for giving up this free watch face. Now, they have a full version. This is the compact version, but the compact version is nice, especially considering that it is free. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button on the way out. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe before you leave. And with that being said, as always, I will see you all again at the next video. Get ready for the weekend.